Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus back again with another crazy video. Going to take a walk down Avenida Mediterranea, one of Benidorm's main shopping roads. But first, let me show you something pretty amazing. This is one of many shops in Benidorm that tends to have some pretty crazy window displays. I mean, yeah, look at that, guys. That is just awesome. Highly detailed. Now, if you are wanting to try a My Chips restaurant, I will recommend this one over the road. Best of the two we've got here in Benidorm. Let's just say when we tried the one into Rincon, yeah, weren't really too pleased with it. Not the best chips I've had, and I've just seemed to be scooped all in the cone. Not really took time to make it look nice. Consume supermarket just down the stairs there. Very great supermarket. Bus stop across the road as well. One of the many main bus stops here on the Avenida Mediterranea. And it is 2:43 and 30 degrees. Temperatures dropping today, then. God. I think maybe Benidorm's getting ready for the storm we do have coming. If we get it, that is. Normally, we do get storms advertised that put on the weather warning app. Yeah, we normally don't really get it. Maybe it'll just go a bit dull for a bit, go a bit cold, then that's it. Or might even just rain for about half hour or something, and that'll be it. Gonna try put my mic on better. There we are. Brilliant gift shop here, guys. Tons of clothes and stuff in there for sale. Few shops are shut early today, actually. This one here, the magnet and leather shop, shut. Dr. Gottila's shoe shop, shut. Kebab shop, preparing to open. As if Benidorm needs another kebab shop, guys. About, look, I guess I'd say about 50, if not more, kebab shops in Benidorm. 50's probably just number of them in and around the Benidorm British strip and the square. So you have the sign here inside by Emilia Costa Blanca, and they still have the big main sign saying the Hotel Costa Blanca. Now, of course, as well, you see plus 16, meaning more an adult base hotel. They aren't really allowed to say adult only hotel nowadays. Apparently the council has gone a bit iffy on that over here lately. So all they're allowed to say is we mainly cater for adults. And again, Hotel Casablanca sign there as well. Probably can't be asked changing it. Nice Italian restaurant across the road. Ristorante Salisco Pizzeria. Never actually been in there, but I have heard it's very nice. A yellow flag up there with a lion or a dragon or a beast or something on it. Hotel Ajay Springs across the road, part of the Med Player Group. Very nice hotel apparently. And of course, Festalandia, the ice cream shop's open, yet the cafe and bar area next door and the fairground remain shut. Funnily enough, still plenty of people here to give it good business, but who wants business nowadays, guys? I don't think I've seen this fairground open for a good 10 weeks now, so all I can say is, has it gone bust? Or are they just relying on the arcade to bring in the money? I mean, oddly placed arcade, isn't it? Like, you got arcade here, then next door, Ozone Bowling Alley, which, wait for it, also has arcade style machines. So, yeah, they thought there'd have been a bit of competition there, but not much, being as Festalandia arcade does seem to be the main one people tend to use. Anyway, time to end another video. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and smash the subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.